Hello, my name is Karen Daniela Casas Buenas Torres. I am a student in the University Pan-American 8th semester. I am 23 years old. It is my distinct. Is happy is my mark. Is happy my law wants to represent the security, strength, and happiness of the pets behaving in healthy life in the day of death. My proposals are three. Each is the best of tracking the customer and cultivating him from a deep look tap to product needs. Is my final proposal. Chosen because in Asian, the motion and the look the pet involves the owner and buyers represent stirring vitality happiness. Distribution. Initial phase. Log to print in the product. The implementation of the new image of the pellbowl, printing of the logo and all different products. Second phase. Show all the merchandise already ready and generate the corresponding publicity. Third phase. Distribution to all 2 points of sale with the merchandise. Here's my presentation in products and distributions. As we see in the best option, save will save. Thank you. All the information below. Thank you very much again.